Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another show of Sonovia Tech Talks. Today I'm following up yesterday's video, which will be uploaded tonight along with this one, with some changes that have come in the GitHub repository for the Ubuntu Macro-Keyboard DIY Project. And yeah, we're going to go ahead and go through and follow the steps that are now new. So, all right, let's get to it. I got a fresh install of Linux Mint here on a virtual machine, so we could test it out. I've implemented all the changes from a man called, I shouldn't have assumed that. From a person whose name is Nelson. Nelson, thank you so much for all your help with this. I don't think this could have been possible without you. He said he saw this project and found it interesting. This pull request is intended to refactor the code to solve potential issues in case of case sensitivity. Essentially, we avoid explicitly checking that the terminal output is command not found. He's also done some refactoring, and he's asking me to please review and let him know what I think. All right, Nelson. I've done the due diligence of copying it in right here. And we're going to give the altered Ubuntu macro script, or Ubuntu macro script, a test. And I will test the version that I've changed on my computer. So yeah. But right now we're just testing on a new fresh install, see if it works. Alrighty. I would say step one is you would want to sudo apt get the updates. Update the repositories because that's going to be required for the script. So I'm just updating the repositories. And it should take a few seconds to a minute, somewhere there. I mean, they are old. It's been a while since they've updated. I mean, I just opened up for fresh install, so it's going to be a bit. Okay, it's almost done. It's reading the package list, so yeah, almost there. Camera's there. Noted. I keep forgetting. My control screen is over on my left-hand side. Quite fun. Okay. So I'm just going to show you what commands I use to get it to download the script that he suggested to use on my README. So git clone, sudo chmod, and that was it up to a certain point, and then you can open it up in a terminal if you want to. Right now I'm just looking for those. Right now I'm going to do it like someone who's wanting to do something through the GUI. Because that's my whole goal in this project, is have it accessible completely through the GUI. Sometimes that's not possible, and I understand. And there's a lot of things you got to install. So yeah. One issue and I forget whether Zenity is installed, so I'm going to put some of my updates to the Git repository. I'm going to put them in also. Such as it's actually going to test and see if Zenity is installed. And I'm going to look at his coding for the if then else codes and modify them, because I'm kind of learning. I'm still learning to code. So yeah, we're just going to tell it that yes, I want to install it, so I don't have to confirm. Zenity is already the newest version, so that's a good thing for Mint. It's already installed. So let's go in here. We're going to launch this here. Run. Let's see if I can achieve it. This simple wizard will help you enable your second keyboard to be a macro keyboard. Hit OK. Okay. Would you like to install ACT KBD Action Keyboard to your computer? Yes. Okay. It says installation of Action Keyboard completed successfully. We hit OK. Progress bars are going to be something way down the line, I think. Something I'd like, something I don't know how to code in Zenity. If anyone knows how to do that in Zenity, that'd be nice. And next feature that I'd like to update in the future is not have to copy from something like this. Yeah, I was afraid. Code canceled out. If we can find a way around GK sudo. Oh. Okay. It did it. Wow. I'm just afraid that it's not going to do that in regular. Okay, AT. So, virtual core pointer. I don't want to disable something AT translated set ID number 8. So we're just going to copy that to the clipboard, close out. I just wanted to find that. You know, hey, here's a list of devices. And then say, okay, what do you want it to do? Okay, these long pauses are going to have these progress bars. Otherwise people start freak out. It's not working. But yeah. So far I think that this is working very well, but an install a Mint, like a fresh live key, is root enabled already. So it's not exactly the proper operating environment. Find the name of the correct device and copy the event number. Okay. I'm going to have to fix that. It's not next to sysreq. Alright, it's handlers. So we gotta find it. It is AT translated style keyboard 2. Okay. Event number 1. Copy. Okay, press all keys on the keyboard that will be used. And that's another thing about Greek. Control C. Alright. Let's see if that popped up. So we're going to go to home. going to up here now /temp. We should be seeing these documents that we just made. Okay, master. Okay, it creates it. All right. So far, the script works. And in a few seconds, we're going to go ahead and we know that it installed, went ahead and installed that wonderful, it installed the script that makes this all possible. It installed the commands that I needed. I know that worked. So we're going to go ahead and do it where everything is already installed. Test those scripts. Okay, shut down anyway. Close multiple. Okay. Alright, let's get out of that. So we're just going to minimize that, let it close out. Oh, yeah. Enter. Enter. Oh boy. VMware. Cancel. Alright. We're on my lovely desktop here. And I got to redo everything I just did. Okay. And we will be back when I am done copying. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, and I am back and ready to run this script. We're going to run it through the terminal as that is going to be the most accurate way to test it. So, I got terminal pulled up, ready to go. We're just going to go. Oh, that's wonderful. Okay, we're just going to go into. It's a little small. Let's see, terminal. Get change the size here. 12, I don't think so. We're gonna make that much larger. Okay. No. Select. But that's way too big. I should know. 25, 20, select. Okay. That should be nearly big enough. So I'm just going to CD into my documents, because that's where I'm storing it. And then we're going to bash dot slash Macro-Keyboard enabler Ubuntu s.sh apt modify cancel. Okay. Anyways, we're going to clear. There we go. Looks like I forgot to save it. It's a big bait. Oh, great. No, not stream. Hey. There we go. Okay. We're just going to minimize that now and give her a try again. Here we go. Alright. My first issue with using sudo. You have to be in the command line. If I'm using pop-ups, that's just going to seem annoying. Might as well print the messages, echo the messages out in the command line. I might go back and fix that. That way the thing for Zenity isn't there anymore. Typing in my password. Okay. I thought I put a check on that. Okay, this simple wizard will help you enable your second keyboard to be a macro keyboard. I gotta fix that. Note to self. Okay, actually, we're gonna fix that. Okay, so we're going to copy his function.tests. Okay, so we're gonna go if command V, then how does he just move on? So, okay, so Control C. That's interesting. So right now I'm just editing this in. We're gonna turn that into Zenity. And then we're gonna put a finish on that. Okay. save that. Save. Okay. Let's give that a try again. So it's already installed and skips it. Nice. Okay, this simple wizard will help you enable your second keyboard to be a macro keyboard. I've got my second keyboard hooked in. Alright. It says Action Keyboard is already installed. Click OK to continue. Copy the correct device ID from the for the second keyboard from the list. Okay. Alright. That is going to be, so I'm going to go to USB compliant keyboard. It's 21. So I'm going to copy that number. Okay, input device number 21 is disabled. Good. Alright, find the name of the correct device and copy event number next to sysrec. Must not have updated that one. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and copy the number only. Copy and close out. Okay, press all keys on the keyboard that will be used. Remember the order of buttons pressed. Press Ctrl C when finished. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. This one, this one, this one. So I'm just doing 1 through 9, and I'm going to hit Ctrl C. Okay, let's see if that worked. We're going to go to /temp, and we're going to list. Oh, that's a lot. Oh, that's a whole lot. Okay. Actually, let's clear that. Okay, herein lies the issue. KBD.config. But so far, it works. The feature of getting it into a document. See, what I want it to do is I want it to output, you know, like 98, just random, all those key numbers to where all you have to do is go semicolon 3 times. Or I might just do a script that, or add on to the script where it runs through that and does that. And then you just type in your command. xdo tool, and then you type in your key. Also want something in the future GUI-wise. GUI-wise to be able to achieve this key. Like it'll give you an option, okay, do you want to do a command or do you want to do a key combination? Then you do the key combination. I want it to where you can just not type it in, but press the key combination and it'll translate it. And it'll take that as raw input because, you know, if I type in, I want it to output kind of like as if it typed shift plus control plus, let's say, 1. So that'll be the key that it puts out. Or numpad 1, whatever it does, you know. And I think that would be amazing. So, all right, and that's where the project is right now. And I'd like to thank, once again, special thanks to Nelson for being interested in the project and coming in and helping me out with it. I'm also going to upload some of the changes I've done and some of the proposed changes commented to see what we can do. If you would like to contribute to this project, give me or go to the link down below, or it will be in one of the cards somewhere up. Yeah, in one of the cards up here. And have a blessed day. Thank you for all the help. And yeah, with the in line with the announcement video, the rest of the process is the same, and we'll be working on implementing those features in the future. Thank you so much, and have a good day.